like chocolate cake. And what about baking a cake in the microwave? Let's try it! Guys, let's check the material. We need a cup, a fork, and a spoon. Now, let's check the ingredients. 1 egg, 2 spoons of oil, 4 spoons of all-purpose flour, 2 spoons of chocolate powder, 4 spoons of sugar, and 2 spoons of milk, and 1 spoon of baking powder. First, you put the egg in the cup. You mix it up. Add the oil, the chocolate powder, the sugar, and the milk. With a fork, you mix all the ingredients. To finish, you add the all-purpose flour, and the baking powder, and you mix it up. And now you put the cup in the microwave. And we have to cook for 3 minutes. And let's see the result. Let's see. Bye bye guys, see you next class!
E não se esqueçam de curtir o nosso canal e ativar os sininhos para receber as notificações. Sigam também no Instagram e no Facebook.